Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican bean dip, updated. Start by heating a skillet and sautéing onion and garlic until soft. Add drained canned beans, spices, and a splash of lime juice, then mash to desired texture. Stir in chopped cilantro and roasted peppers for brightness, adjust salt, and warm through. Transfer to a serving bowl and top with cheese or avocado before serving to guests or family. This section covers ingredients and simple swaps for flavor and texture. Measure 2 cans of beans, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, and 1 jalapeno if you like heat. Use a teaspoon each of cumin, chili powder, and salt to start, then taste and tweak. Choose roasted peppers or fresh tomatoes for contrast, and decide between smooth or chunky mash depending on whether you want dip or spread for tacos and chips. Follow these steps for a reliably tasty dip with minimal fuss. Sauté diced onion and garlic until translucent, then add drained beans, spices, and a splash of lime juice. Mash most of the beans with a fork or potato masher, leaving some whole for texture, then fold in chopped cilantro and roasted peppers. Warm gently to meld flavors, taste for salt, and garnish with cheese or avocado before serving with chips or veggies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.